According to official statistics, on average, around 92% of students fail English exam each year in CSS. According to our survey at Nearpeer, 70% of aspirants find articulating ideas very difficult. 62% of them find structuring the essay extremely hard, and 63% reported to have extreme trouble in writing introductions and formulating outline.
When surveyed about the single biggest challenge in their CSS English essay preparation, this was the response of aspirants. 63% aspirants even reported to have never even read a single script of English essay written by a qualified CSS candidate.
This has turned English essay ostensibly into a mystery subject in the popular perception. This course is designed around a powerful framework for creating essays based on the three cardinal principles of clarity, coherence, and elegance. To make this pedagogically possible, this course broadly contains three components.
The first section deals with the foundations. We will teach you in detail everything that there is to know about essays for competitive examinations. Dealing with different types of the essay, writing the thesis statement and outline, writing effective and compelling introductions, and finally, how to think and generate ideas.
How to structure an essay by bringing coherence and logical progression in your script, how to construct persuasive and logical arguments in paragraphs, and how to order them into elegantly flowing sections. And we're going to show you how to embed examples and case studies to give an extra layer of richness to your writing. We'll also give you tactics to weave your points through paragraphs in a way that will make your writing look extremely ordered and polished. We'll even cover the little details on how to start and end sentences effortlessly using signposts.
We will then put all of these tools into practice by formulating outlines on plenty of topics from the past papers. And last, we will compose full essays by covering important topics in their entirety, from thesis statements to outlines to the body of the essay, all the way down to conclusions. Through this, you will learn how to generate relevant ideas and organize your writing magnificently.
You will learn how to start your essay with a bang, end it with a flourish, and embed it with powerful imagery and persuasion. It is time to take those limp and bloated sentences and turn them into sharp, powerful, and rhythmic expressions of your ideas. It is time to turn those dead-weight paragraphs into a precise, logical, and evocative script.
It is time for you to take control of your learning and maximize the chance of passing this exam.
I'm Abrar Ahmed.
And I'm Dawood Saleemi. And this is our English essay course at Nearpeer.
So see you in the class.